besties, it's your bestie, your trustworthy, Today's video, we are trying Xmondo 5-minute top coat platinum. Yes, we are trying it on real brassy hair, girl. Like, we got some brass going on, okay? She's, ugh. Yes, I am wearing liquid eyeliner on my lips as lipstick because your girl cannot find black lipstick. You know it's fall when we're tan over here and we're white down here. Hello? It's that time of season, you know? If you see like little specks, you know, it's dust, okay? It's not spirits. I get this comment a lot, and I know there's a lot of spirit followers. They don't want me, trust me. They're not around me, and I would honestly, if they were here, they'd be shaking their head. We have a dust problem, okay? Honestly, it's got to be up there for my favorite brands. I've never tried products as good as these, and I know this one's gonna be real good, okay? That's why we're trying it today. If you haven't watched my previous videos, I did it on bleached hair, fresh. Supernova blonde toning shampoo, which was a big hit. Everyone loved it. Everyone went out and bought it. Also, the toning mousse. This is Xmondo Supernova blonde toning leave-in repair foam. This is a gold hit, #1 hit platinum record, okay? This one is really, it hits the spot. There's nothing I have ever tried with like a foam. Like, I've never tried a foam. I've never seen a foam. And this baby, this hits the spot. Xmondo really knows what he's doing when it comes to formula and like perfection. These are it. And of course, I have my iPad here to tell you all the information about the 5-minute top coat in platinum. They actually have a bunch of colors, it being like the 5-minute top coat. Like, they have, I think, lavender. They have a bunch of other ones, and platinum, obviously, your girl loves to be platinum. So we are doing this on rootage. I do have really brassy hair. If you can see, my hair is really yellow. And I thought, gee, this is a perfect testing canvas to try this product on. I feel like it's really good to try like a canvas on bleached hair with these products, and then also with roots, because a lot of people are going to use these products with roots, right? It's like your in-between color, like fixing, you know, if you don't want to dye your hair. And also, it's a great solution if you are on the repair hair journey and don't want to put toxic chemicals in your hair and fry your hair. Got this hair cap from Winners. It was $7.99, I think. Also, regarding being plastic, because people think I'm plastic because I have my lips done, and that's all I have done. I get called being plastic, but this is the difference. I'm not trying to be natural. Like, I don't know why people assume when people get like injections or Botox or like their boobs done or anything done, that like there's two types of people. There's the people that want to look natural, and then there's the people that don't want to look natural. I don't want to look natural, okay? Fake it till you make it, biatch. So this is the platinum shade, which platinum to me is like an icy, toned out blonde, okay? It's icy. It's meant for adding soft, building pigment, and toning, depositing, rather covering roots or gray or lifting color. So this is not a lift. This is just strictly depositing color to counteract with the brassiness that I have in my hair. And also, they do have other shades of color for actual color. Like, they have really nice shades, and trust me, I'm dying to try them. The formula also contains a bond booster, which is really nice. I think majority of his products have a bond booster. It's going to repair your hair, it's going to hydrate your hair, it's going to fix your hair. And that's what we want in our life, fixing, okay? It strengthens and smooths the hair while adding the color. You're doing basically a hair treatment on your hair and getting results of beautifulness. That's what he's all about. He's all about giving you the perfect color, but giving you a good hair mask. How can you go wrong with that, please? What companies do that? Which company has your back like a bestie like that? No gloves, no mixing, and it's user-friendly. Hello, do you see my hair color? We need easy, user-friendly. Shows the best on light hair. So having like really light hair like me, it apparently works the best. Now you can use it on darker blonde hair if you're looking for a toned look still. But the best results are going to be being blonde. The wash fade with this is usually up to, like, it starts to fade around 6 to 7 washes, which is really nice because how much are you really going to wash your hair in 1 month? Like, come on. By the time that you go for your next bleaching or coloring, it's like the perfect in-between color, okay? I wash my hair twice a month. I know, it's gross, but I don't really care what you guys have to say. I don't care what the dermatologists have to say, okay? I already have like eczema and I have a dry problem already on my body. So me not washing my hair is going to be very beneficial. And it has, because I've been doing this for like 3 months now, not washing my hair, like a regular. And it's been transforming my hair into a miracle. Let me just say, like, it is the key to success. Why is it the Karen's business on how much I wash my hair? Like, is it your hair? No, didn't think so. So worry about your own hair, Karen. I shouldn't have worn a white bra. Oh my goodness. Okay. Once again, I forget what I was saying. Okay, so do we need wet hair? Let me look. How to use, okay? This is on the back of the bottle. It says shampoo hair, then rinse out excess water. Apply a generous amount of color on damp hair from roots to end and comb through. And leave it on for 5 minutes and then rinse. Also, this is vegan and cruelty-free and gluten-free. I know a lot of people, my besties, they also like to know that knowledge on product, which is good. Damp your hair. I already washed my hair, like, I think it was yesterday or the day before. I can't remember, but my hair's good to go. It's, you know, I'll be back. Okay, so we're back with damp hair. He does recommend that you do have a brush so you can brush the product through, and I really highly recommend this because toning foam, I used the brush and it worked fantastic for kind of like dispersing it very evenly. Let me go wet it a little bit more. Really, you're supposed to do this in a shower or bath, whatever you do, but it's supposed to be used right after shampooing. So the really cool thing about this product is that at the bottom of it, you don't actually twist this off. You just twist it and it's open, which is really nice and convenient, and it doesn't get all over the place. So we're just gonna put it in our hand. This is the Platinum top coat. Smells amazing. It smells like the other products, like the mousse and the shampoo. And I heard that this is his staple kind of like signature smell for his products. It's like very floral, very clean scent. It's not overbearing at all. Like some products can be very over-scented. This is not over-scented at all, and it smells very nice. I love it. Like I could use it as a perfume. Let's just start over here. Do I have to go fast? Let's go fast. Take the brush and we're just gonna brush it through. And the brush really, I'm telling you guys, it really evens the color out. Like, do you see that? It's already evening it out really nicely. Oh my gosh, I forgot this side. So yeah, I'm just kind of just brushing it through nicely and making sure it's even. As I'm doing this, my hair feels like it has some like rich, bougie, expensive conditioner. Like, I can't just describe it. Like, it just feels like I got some like expensive, like $1,000 product on my hair right now. Like, it just makes my hair feel so smooth and hydrated while doing this process. And it just feels so nice. But it's really just gliding through the hair so nicely, like without me really like stressing. And like I said, this will be way easier if you're in the bath or like the shower. I'm doing this on like a video, making sure that I get, you know, everything. I think I'm gonna go wash this out now. We'll be back with the results. Hopefully it's good. It's gonna be good. Okay, bestie. Like what? This took 5 minutes. I had literally disgusting sewage hair. And now it looks like I went to a salon. Like, what? Though it didn't lift my roots, because it's not meant to lift your roots, but it literally brought everything together. Like, it looks like I just got my hair freshly done at the salon. My hair feels so hydrated and soft, bestie. Like, just look at that shine. Look how beautiful and even. Like, this was just like a 5-minute top coat, like, mask. And look. You guys seen it. I had such ugly, brittle, dry, like, brassy hair. And now my hair just looks so perfect. And I'm ready. I'm ready to slay the haters. And I cut, style, dye, tone, shampoo, top coats, you name it, on this channel. I do have a 15% coupon code with Xmondo Hair on their website, and you get 15% off. Literally, that is a lot of discount off your purchase. Most companies, mind you, only give you like 5% off. Xmondo is giving you 15% off. So use my code. It's DieHardBarbie, Barbie with 2 eyes. I will put it in the screen somewhere, and I'll link his website down below. Here is the color up close. Literally, I just, it looks like I came out of a salon. Like, what? Anyways, use my code, go shopping, shop away, because we do have a bleaching video coming up and a toning video. So I want to switch up the hair color. I want to go for, you know, a different hair color, because we have tried for a couple of months now just Xmondo products. So I'm going to switch it up a little bit for this month and try a different color on my head. I am going to be trying maybe a new bleach. I'm still like debating on what bleach I should try. Comment down below if there's new bleaches. Yeah, I had a root canal and it was awful. I was in a lot of pain. My whole side of my like mouth here was like swollen. You know, I was on medication, so thank God for that, because I don't think I could do it without the medication. Literally, my mouth was hurting so bad. And mind you, I have a TMJ, big problem. And usually with TMJ, you can get rid of it with like pregnancy, or you can go to like chiropractor and they can like crack it back into place or whatever they do. But when I had my second child, my TMJ went away. So when I went to go get my root canal done, my TMJ is acting up it's being very naughty. Very naughty. Major root canal. It was one of my molar teeth, and it had 4 roots. So they had to take like this little chainsaw thing, and you know, they have to pull each root out of each hole. So hopefully I don't need any more root canals at 31 years old. I basically have had a cavity on each tooth. Yeah, I got some really bad genes in my family. It's something that I've been working on for my whole entire life, literally. And you would never know because I have really nice teeth. I take care of my teeth. Like, I'm always at the dentist. I'm always getting something done on my teeth. So it's very important to always keep up with your teeth. And it was a nasty bill of paying for my root canal, let me tell you. I do like to cater to all hair colors, so if you want to check back in and subscribe to the Bestie channel because we're always posting something. We try to be interesting, okay? Hit like on this video and subscribe, okay? And I hope to see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye, guys.